Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the last topic of this chapter, that is factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. Okay. So rate of photosynthesis is affected by atmosphere, external factor and hereditary internal factors. External factor of environment like light, CO2, temperature, and water. Light may be of three types. First, type of light. Second, light intensity. And third one, duration of light. Okay. Internal factors which affect the rate of photosynthesis. Like chlorophyll. Second, storage of end food material. And third, internal structure of the leaf. These factors affect the rate of photosynthesis indirectly or directly. External factors light, CO2, temperature and water, and internal factors are amount of chlorophyll in the leaf, storage of end food product and internal structure of the leaf. Okay. Before this, we are going to talk about the Blackman law of limiting factor. Law of limiting factors. It is also known as Blackman's principle or hypothesis of Blackman. This law proposed by Blackman scientist in 1905. It means Blackman in 1905 proposed this hypothesis, and it is the modification of Liebig law. Law of limiting factor. according to living scientists, biochemical reactions are dependent on several limiting factors. It means rate of reactions is affected by several factors. Then rate of process depends upon the factors which is present in limiting amount. Okay, but Blackman's law is depends on photosynthesis. So what is the Blackman law? According to Blackman, rate of process is depended on several factors. Then the process of rate of reaction is depend upon the factor which is present in limiting amount. किसी भी रिएक्शन की रेट मैनी फैक्टर से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड होती है. In other words, rate of process is influenced by several factors. Then rate of reaction is depend upon the factor which is in limiting amount. Suppose in photosynthesis, CO2, light, temperature and water molecules are necessary for reaction. If amount of CO2 is high and other factors are in limiting amount, then photosynthesis reaction become slow because other factors become limited. So एक फैक्टर्स रिएक्शन की रेट को इन्हेंस नहीं कर सकता. For example, in photosynthesis, CO2 plus water molecules sunlight, chlorophyll pigment, form carbohydrate. And release of oxygen. So in photosynthesis reaction, CO2, water, chlorophyll, light are important factor, and these factors are required in sufficient amount. If concentration of CO2 is high, then rate of photosynthesis is increased. Okay, but water, chlorophyll, sunlight, other factors are in average amount. After some time, it seemed that increase the concentration of CO2 increase in the concentration of CO2, then there is no change in rate of photosynthesis. Why? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? CO2 की कंसंट्रेशन हाई होने पे फोटोसिंथेसिस की रेट इंक्रीज होती है, बट अदर फैक्टर्स वाटर, सनलाइट, ये सब एवरेज अमाउंट में थे. आफ्टर सम टाइम एटमॉस्फेयर CO2 की कंसंट्रेशन हाई करने पे फोटोसिंथेसिस की रेट में कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा, ये डिक्रीज हो रही है. रीजन other factors, water, CO2, light are become limiting factors. It means वाटर, CO2 एंड लाइट, इनकी अमाउंट लिमिटेड हो गई. तो जब तक ये CO2 के कंसंट्रेशन के इक्वल नहीं आ जाते तब तक ये रिएक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकती. इट मीन्स हर एक रिएक्शन के लिए जितने भी फैक्टर्स नीडेड होते हैं उनकी सबकी रिक्वायरमेंट सफिशिएंट होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज रिएक्शन की रेट पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. ओके. In other case, if light intensity is high and other factors water, CO2, chlorophylls are limited, then rate of reaction also become decrease. This is known as limiting factors low. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the external factors step by step. First, external factors light. As we know that light is important factor of photosynthesis. Due to this, carbohydrate is formed in leaves. light energy convert into chemical energy and form the sugars. So it is the important factor for plants, and it may be of three types. First, types of light. Which type of light is required for photosynthetic reactions? In previous topics, we were stated that only visible light it means visible spectrum VIBGYOR is required for photosynthesis reaction, and it have 400 to 760 nanometer wavelength. Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Rate of photosynthesis is high when blue and red light is supplied together to plant in place of separate light, because in red and blue light rate of reaction is high. In red light energy is low, and in green light rate of photosynthesis become 0 because plants reflect the green light due to presence of chlorophyll pigment. ब्लू एंड रेड लाइट में फोटोसिंथेसिस ज़्यादा होता है कंपेयर टू ब्लू लाइट, बट एक साथ ये दोनों लाइट देने पे फोटोसिंथेसिस की रेट इनहेंस हो जाती है. ओके, and chlorophyll pigments absorb only VIBGYOR light, especially blue and red light. Now second type, light intensity. Light intensity depend only on arrangement of leaf. Arrangement of leaf known as phyllotaxy. इट मीन्स लीफ किस टाइप की है, डोर्सोवेंट्रल, आइसोबाइलेटरल. इन मोनोकोट प्लांट आइसोबाइलेटरल लीफ are present, then both sides of leaf receive the light, but in dicot only dorsal surface receive the light, ventral surface cannot receive light intensity. Obviously if light intensity is high, then rate of photosynthesis also high, because light intensity is directly affected the rate of photosynthesis. But there is act the limiting factor law. If light intensity is high and other factors become limited, then rate of photosynthesis become low. And high light intensity is harmful for plants. So there is term solarization. What is solarization? If light intensity is given to continuously in high amount, then cell organelles and chlorophyll pigment are destroyed. This is known as solarization, because high light intensity damages the chlorophyll pigment or chloroplast, and other cell organelles are also damaged due to high intensity. Now there is another term, light compensation point. At certain light intensity, amount of CO2 produced in photosynthesis amount of CO2 used in photosynthesis are equal to amount of CO2 produced in respiration. At certain limit of light intensity, this point is known as light compensation point. Okay. For example, in C3 plants, light intensity required is low, but in C4